I think he's associated with Bristol, maybe more than a local hood.
British culture, isn't it?
In a way, he kind of only became big once people from outside Bristol became interested.
I saw his work on postcards.
Got the book out. Seen his film. Well, I was an art student, so I've seen Banksy's work in books and things like that.
I spotted his works in a newspaper. I read something, or maybe on the internet, I don't remember.
But all Banksy's work got the same, so a lot of that's black and white, like stencily kind of graffiti. It's got a sort of narrative as well. Got quite a unique style. So much pop art, mix of graffiti.
Once you show different aspects of the society, make things alive, this impression.
Pretty clean, isn't it? He's got quite a unique style. So much pop arty.
The style is kind of stencil based and has a kind of use of contrast that
I'm happy that there is somebody who makes this kind of work, and I think his style is very recognizable. I mean, his or her, I don't even know.
The whole thing about his art is who he is, isn't it?
Everyone's got their own opinion on it.
Could be, I don't know if it's a group or so a group of people, well, a single person would help.
You kind of assume it's a certain type of character.
kind of like how it originally was, just showing up on the shoes.
Yeah, you assume he's a man, I reckon, because of like, what he paints. I think he probably assumed he's one guy going around on his own, doing things on the quiet. Because if he had a team of people, that's people to leak out information for him.
Yeah, I don't really care that much who is this person. I mean, I'm not interested to know more details about private life of this person.
I wouldn't want to know.
Well, I think it's what's made him into such a big brand name in some ways.
I think it makes it special if nobody knows who
I think it's
It's all part of the mystique, isn't it?
As long as you keep it secret, it's worth billions.
He'd still be known as good work.
I'll have it on my wall of my house. Outside.
Yeah, it makes your house worth more money.
If you knew who it was, if he trusted you to tell you, it would be worth it. It'd kill it.